Yes, welcome everybody. Let's take a quick look at the application. This is Office Suite. After you have downloaded it from Play Store, you open it. Why I decided to use this application? Because this way you'll be able to edit document. Now looking at it, this is Microsoft Office Word. This is Microsoft Excel, and this is Microsoft Office PowerPoint, the presentation, right? Microsoft Office Word, these are the different templates we have, right? To create new documents, we have to use this one. Now, if you want to have access to this scan to Word, you must be a premium user. Being a premium user means you have already purchased the app, you have paid for it. Coming to Excel, there are different sets of templates. Also, you open this blank, but we come in there, right? Open this blank to start new file. Same also to this presentation, which is PowerPoint. You see, all this we'll be looking at them one after the other. Okay, now let me just open Microsoft Office Word. This is document. Now open this blank, click to this blank to open blank. Right, now fine. For any time you see this, because if you say to purchase this app, it will cost you this 39.99 United States dollars, probably 450,000 leons, old leons, right? Or 450 leons, the new one, for this application. Okay, so uh what will be recommended, right? What we'll be using here, for any time you see this pop up, just use this X, right, to close it. Now I can close this one. Also to this same one, if you click this save start 7 days trial, just after 7 days the app will stop working. So I will recommend you to always close this one. Right, now I close this. Now this is the interface. This is the interface. You have the home tab, comprises of the clipboard, the font, paragraph, and others. Right, now to see the different tabs, use this drop down. Use this drop down where you see the home, click there and you see the different tabs. Now if I click on the file, you see create a new document, the template, open existing file, the open a recent if you have created a recent document here, and other. Now you see export to PDF and print. If you want to print directly from the phone, from this application, you must be a premium user, that you have to pay for the app. Export to PDF. For this in computers, it doesn't ask for permission. Let me say for premium user, but for phone you have to purchase the app before ever you have the facility to export it to PDF, to save it as PDF. Okay, now heading again to the insert tab. Mind you, this was the home tab. Immediately you open it to the insert tab, we'll be looking at break page, to divide a single page to two tables, to create tables, to insert picture, right? Now you see this web picture and camera. Web picture meaning taking picture from the internet. If you want to use this facility, so you have to pay for the app. Even camera, probably you have your document as hard copy, you want to snap it and immediately you take a snapshot of it, it comes into Microsoft Office Word. So you must be a premium user. Now looking at the shapes, we have different set of shapes here. All right, all these shapes you can find them in Microsoft Word for computer also. Okay, then looking at the links, of course, bookmarks, we'll be looking at them, comments, footnotes, endnotes, header and footer, then page number. You see, all this one will be looking at them. Now I'm going next to the design tab. Design tab have the themes, right? Now there are other themes just because I'm not connected to the internet now, so you can't see them. Colors, right? Theme colors. Going back, looking at the page color, if you want to give the page a color, for example, I choose this color, choose black. But mind you, these colors can never be printed. It won't print. Okay, so let's send it back to white. So watermark, click on watermark. You see, all this way you can see them in Microsoft Office where that is in the computer. Going to layout, the page layout, you have the margin, the orientation, whether it is a portrait or a landscape. Where is it? Right, the size of the page, whether it's A4, A5, A3, legal, or any other size. Column, whether it's 2 column or 3 column, or you can customize your columns here. Okay, the page setup, right? Okay, looking at review, right? So we'll be looking at all this. Our next video, looking at view, our next video we'll have some practical example, right? Have to type something and look at some functions says, and mind you, this one up here are known as the quick access toolbar. Well, if you want to connect to the internet, if you want to save, you use this option. If you want to save, you use this. Sorry, you use this icon to save. Now if you want to undo or redo, you use these icons. This way undo or redo your work. Okay, thanks, and that's all for today.